What's up, Sunnyvale? It's time to look at the coolest projects you guys built last week. This is going to be awesome. The last one was a lot of fun. First up, we have Caden's Python project here, and the thing that I love about this the most is that he or she, Caden, you added in randomness to your Python project. So it's the balls that the turtle threw up out of its mouth. I don't know where the balls came out of the turtle, but they went to random positions on the screen, which is super cool. And the colors that you're choosing as you draw each square in this circle, in this kaleidoscope of color madness, are random, which is so cool. The fact that every single time I refresh this page, I see a different thing happen is super exciting. It's what a lot of roguelike video games use, is they use a randomly generated world, which is super cool. I mean, the fact that you went through and took the time to create an array that has random colors in it and then go through and actually cycle through that array and pick a random color to fill in your turtle as, super impressive. Caden, you're awesome. Great job. Next up, we have Ishan's what monster game? It's asking me the length of my nose in inches. Who measures the length of their nose? I have no idea. I don't know. I don't know what. How big is it? How big? You guys tell me. What, 2 inches maybe? 2 thumbs? I'm gonna go with 2 inches. So we'll go in here. Oops. We'll go with 2 inches here. All right. How many toes do I have? 47? Duh. Everybody's got 47 toes. How many strands of hair do you have? I'm going to go with, well, I am getting older, so I'm going to go with 5. What color are your eyebrows? My eyebrows, brown. They got a little blonde mixed in there, but we're going to go with brown. How many ears do you have? I have 104, no, sorry, I have 2 ears. I have 2 ears. Bob is a monster with brown fingers. He has 5 eyes, 2 noses, he has 47 hands, and he has 2 legs. All right, at least he's got a normal amount of legs. Everything else is ridiculous. Sean, this is so cool. I love this. So cool. Okay, I had to bust out Idle here because Evan is actually building super advanced Python lessons and they don't work in Trinket anymore. Trinket is just too bad. You gotta move on to Idle, and he's done so. So right here, we have the matchmaker game. So I could select this and it's, ooh, that's a cool symbol, the radioactive signal there. And I got a match, awesome. All right, so we got a finger. Ooh, that wasn't a match. All right, I've got, is that an umbrella with snow on it? That's cool. Okay, so that wasn't a match. I've got this weird sunset thing. Okay, no match there. Man, I got really lucky in this first one, but the rest of these are just not matching. No, that was the same one I just clicked. I'm clicking all the same stuff. You guys want to see new things. Okay, ooh. All right, I got 2 matches. I'll stop boring you because I'm terrible at this game, but this game is awesome. Great job, Evan. I can't wait to see when you get to the black belt and you start building awesome projects, because this is already super impressive. And lastly, we have Ashna's project here. This is creating passwords for us. So we've got a blue dog 25. Blue dog, what do you mean, like from scratch? Blue dogs. All right, I want another password. A yellow goat. Never seen that before. Give me another one. A dirty horse. Cold frog. I want a fluffy kangaroo. Can I go to Australia, buy a fluffy kangaroo, and have it as a pet? Probably not. Kangaroos are super dangerous. Just stay away from them. This is super cool, Ashna. I'm very impressed with how many different things that you can generate in your password generator. Keep going, keep building awesome stuff. And that's it for this week. We'll see you in the next one.